What's up guys, it's Eva, how are ya? So today I will introduce one special product to you. Don't go away, please follow me first. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. So right now, check out this holographic infinity sign. Have you already get some super different visual experience? If you are finding some sites that can realize eye 3D effect, it is a perfect choice. This site can also attract more customers because you can customize the pattern for you, for your own self. So don't hesitate to get it to grow your business no matter what your business is. I believe lcsign can help you grow your business. So not every sign factory will have such a wealthy of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. So if you are still looking for a reliable signage supplier, lcsign is your best choice. If you have already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.